time does she say people were showing up?
I think like 6.
It's gonna be good to see everybody though.
This is gonna be a lot of fun. I'm really excited.
They say if she says 6, then we should show up at 6:30, 6:45. You know, my mom always said, be like Cinderella, fashionably late.
We're good. Just a little slow. We're okay. We're okay. Just...
Oh man.
It's kind of slowing down.
Oh, there's like something up ahead.
We're okay. Oh, nope, 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 nope. We are stopping. Let me see if I change. Nope. Does it say anything on SIG alert?
No, it's just all red. It's fine. It'll probably clear up in a minute or 2.
Oh, I think I have my knitting needles. Knit one and purl one. Yes, hi. I would like to refinance my house. Knit one and purl one.
Chapter 1. The Boy Who Lived.
Okay, one word. It's a movie. Ah, my mother! Oh, Godzilla!
Gazira, you got Kochira wa. Harry, do you want to chip in a couple of galleons? Harold Dingle reckons he could sell us some fire whiskey. Sumisu san desu. 5 words. Okay, about 5 words. First word. Be our guest.
Do I do the dry or wet ingredients first?
Okay.
Namate mo ai. That means, can I lick your... Oh my god. It is Jean Valjean from Les Miserables by Victor Hugo.
Oh. Lost him the chance of defending himself. Standing against the ramp. That's 2 words.
Victor Hugo. Les Mis.
Never playing charades with you again. Oh, that's well.
We're moving.
Oh.
Buckle up.
Oh.